Hello. Happy Tuesday. Okay, guys. I hope you guys are having a really great day because you know what? Summer is here. I mean, I've been seeing everything growing and blooming and just fantastic. And kids are going to be out of school soon. Some areas, I guess kids are already getting out of school. Where I'm at right now, the kids are getting out actually June 24th over where my grandkids are. They're getting out of school June 24th. So they got a little ways to go and they're not happy with that. So if you're enjoying this weather where it's nice and vibrant and just you feel so happy being in it and having sunshine on your face, I mean, come on, we got to love it, right? For me personally, I am very, very grateful whenever I get in the sunshine because you know what? The sun makes us healthy. It makes us happy. It gives us vitamin D. It gives us all this fun stuff in our lives. So today we're going to talk about gratitude. How many people out there, and I ask everyone out there, how many of you are feeling pure gratitude? I mean, down in the heart, soul, vibration, gratitude for everything you have right now. I mean, all the little stuff. All the stuff that maybe you don't think about every day. You know, maybe you should be grateful for your coffee in the morning or your meditation or the exercises that you do and the books that you read and the different things that you're doing to bring everything you want to come to you is all the foundation of gratitude. And you know, everyone out there who follows me and who is on my team knows I am totally into mindset and business. The two are connected. And when you can connect mindset and business, you will have success in both of those critical areas. Otherwise, when you don't, what happens? Maybe you can answer that for me. Anyone that wants to make a comment, I'd be more than happy to hear your comment. So, who wants to make comments today? Even if it's on the replay, make comments because I'll check back throughout the day because gratitude for what you have right now and how you're going to bring that together with your business and with your lifestyle and whatever it is you're wanting to create. Boom, it is awesome. And by being grateful for what you have right now, like a lot of people that are following me, they're in my team, know that my routine in the morning is pretty much what motivates me throughout my whole day. What I do in the morning fuels my energy level for my whole day. I meditate, which I am grateful that I have this time to meditate. I'm grateful that I have this ability and this inspiration to take my life to where I want it to go. And you can use, you know, different theta beats or binaural beats, or you can even use a guided meditation depending on what you want, what makes you happy. I actually use both. Like right now, I have theta beats playing in the background, and I like them because they keep me focused. They keep me grounded. Grounded's a good word for today for me. And happy and fun. But they keep me grounded throughout my whole day. So regardless of what I'm doing in my day, like today for me, it's all about financials. I'm all about converting my financials into precious metals. I mean, a lot of you are doing that also. We've been doing it for quite some time. But I just got a new lead and I'm going to check this one out. He's calling me back today. So we're going to see about that. But it's all about surrounding yourself with things that make you happy and people that make you happy. If you can't feel happy for what you have and the atmosphere and the people around you, then you're going to keep bringing in the negative and the bad and the stuff that's not happy. So be happy right here, right now with what you have. When you do this, when you are happy with what you have, you're happy with your family, happy with, just being who you are and having the success that you have. That is a huge plus, guys. That is huge. So as long as you're feeling gratitude for every little thing, every little thing, I am always grateful that I have sunshine. Even when I don't have pure sunshine, because I'm living up here in the Pacific Northwest, and I'm over here in Washington State, and there's not a lot of sunshine where I'm at, but I'm always grateful that there is some light. I'm always grateful that I have that, because depending on what you're wanting in your life, each person is different. Okay, each one of you are different. And you could be wanting a relationship. You could be wanting a new job. You could be wanting maybe a home. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to have your family closer to you, or whatever it is. When you're grateful for what you have right now, like I feel grateful. This is just me, and I'm not saying everybody else has to do what I do. I'm grateful that I get to see my grandkids. I'm grateful that we have electronics, because even if I'm not in the town or in their area, I can Skype them, or I can FaceTime them on my phone, and we can have total conversations, and we could be cruising around the zoo or whatever in real time. And it's amazing. And I am grateful for those times, and I am grateful for that. And I'm grateful that I have this technology here in my home office, on my desk, where I can give value. I can help hundreds of people a day just by offering what I do and offering different systems and coaching and processing. And I am so grateful that I have this ability here today to do this. And it just depends on, each person is different, and that does not make anyone better than the other, because when you are different, that's what makes you unique. Think about it. When you're grateful and you have true, pure gratitude coming from you, coming from your soul, from your heart, huge motivation, guys, huge. You'll find more will come to you. More options, more opportunities will come to you, depending on what you're wanting to create in your life. And you guys have heard my story, and I'm not shy about telling you different things that I'm doing in my life that happen. And one I've talked about here over the last month was how grateful I am that I have Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi as mentors. Top rock stars in the industry. And I am grateful that I have these two rock stars as my mentors, along with Brian Finale, of course, rock star all by himself. I have these people that are surrounding me, that are giving me positive feedback and inspiration on top of what I already have, which makes it even more. And you've heard me say, surround yourself with people who do what you do, who want what you want. When you do, that energy is outstanding. That energy will motivate you, and it will bring more opportunities to you. So, as you all know, I do a lot of training, and I do a lot of coaching, and I do a lot of these things to help more people to grow their business and to change their lifestyle. And as I mentioned last week, I am going to be doing masterminds live. I'm going to be doing virtual masterminds, and I'm going to be doing live venue masterminds. So be on the lookout for that. So if anyone wants to get involved in that, be sure you reach out, because I'll send you, and what I'm doing is application-wise, because not everyone will be a fit for what I'm doing. Not everyone will be in the right mindset or the right fit to receive what I'm going to be teaching. So I wouldn't want to have somebody in there that is not the right fit for what they need. Not so much for what I'm offering, but for what they need. And that's important to have what you want, which, as you all know, want is a negative word. Want is a lack word. Want specifies to the universe, to God, to the everywhere, that you don't have it. Want says, I don't have this. I won't have this. It's a long ways away because I want it. And that energy of want pushes it further and further away. And also the energy of hope. Hope is a negative vibration, because when you say, I hope I get this system that I need, I hope I get the training that I need, you're telling yourself and you're telling the universe that there is no way you're going to get this training. There's no way you're going to get this system. There's no way this is going to happen for you, because that's what hope is. It's a false positive. And I try to discourage people from using the word hope in the fact or in the context of what they want to receive in their lives. And maybe you're saying, well, I hope I don't put on that 5 pounds from eating this chocolate cake. You know, that's a totally different. But when you're saying, I hope I get the systems that I need to grow my business, I hope I make $1 million this year, I hope. It's a false positive, guys. Let's back away from that one. It sounds crazy, but you know what? I taught my kids as they were growing up, my girls, don't use hope as a basis or a foundation for what you want and what you want to receive and what you want to achieve, because that will just keep you held back. And we don't want that for anybody. I want to see you all move forward. I want to see you all be happy. And I want to see you all attract what you need to you. Okay? That's what it's all about. Gratitude. Fill your life with gratitude. Be happy for the toothpaste you have to brush your teeth. Be happy for the toothbrush. Be happy you have a nice, comfortable bed to sleep on. Be happy you got the pillow, the blankets, the sheets, whatever it makes you happy saying. Be grateful for that. Be totally grateful. So, guys, I'm going to call this a day because I've got a lot of financials and stuff I'm doing today. So this is going to take up a huge part of my day. But for anyone out there that is still looking for the 30-day challenge, I had some emails pop over across that I seen this morning. I was trying to get back to everybody. So if you're one of the ones that was wanting the 30-day challenge, that is for the leadership transformation, that I put that link out for if people I could find. That had so many. I was hoping I didn't miss anyone. So, hold on. I'm having issues with my system. Crazy, isn't it? So, if that was you, if you were in there and I didn't get you, then I put the link up here in my header for those of you that wanted that. It's the leadership transformation. And it is one I was the beta tester for. I was in the beta test. And this one has taken the whole system. I could training. I could put everything out there and do. Actually, I have a system coming out for that is going to be a membership system. So it's fantastic. It puts everything you need to have a home business in one spot. You have everything, all the programs, the systems, the housing, the hosting, everything in one place. I love it. It's so much easier. Before, I was going to 6 and 7 different platforms trying to make it to where I had everything together. It was just crazy, crazy, crazy. So I'm really glad that I found this system and I got it. And I'm so happy to be a beta tester for it, because I can speak from the heart that this is working. And I started making money right away. It's what you gotta love, right? You gotta love it. It's what we're all about, is we're making money, and we're making money fast, and we're making money now. That's why we're all on home business, because we want to make money. Let's just don't sugarcoat it. We want to make money. Okay, but enjoy my newsletter. Get on my newsletter, guys. I put out stuff all the time, different offers, different systems, all kinds of different things. So you can't go wrong getting on my newsletter. And like and share this video. And get over there to YouTube and like and share. And please subscribe to our channel over there. We are putting out more and more value to help more and more people. That's what it's all about. I'm helping 100 people a day at least. And I love it. Okay, guys, I will talk to you later. And thank you so much. And I am grateful for all of you who are watching my videos, who are liking and sharing and getting your name out there. Every time you share my video, you get your name out there more. Okay, I will chat with you all later. And hold on, I've got 2 platforms going on here, and I hear a, yay, I see it. Okay, I will chat with you later. I'll talk to you guys. Thank you so much again for joining. Bye-bye.